Hello and welcome to my channel. This week I have created charcuterie boards in the shape of a heart because Valentine's Day is right around the corner and it would be really awesome to give that special someone something unique that you can't find anywhere else. What better than a heart charcuterie board or wall art where you can customize it to add your guys' date, where you guys first met, and or a saying that you guys really like together. These can be great additions for weddings as well. Get them with the couple's last name on there, a saying, the date, whatever you kind of like. I have these on my website, so there's a few options for customization, but if you'd like something else, you're free to contact me and I can make you one of these as well. So here they are, enjoy the process. There'll be examples of some finished hearts at the end of this video.